Hey guys, it's Ariana here from Earth's Edge. Trekking to the peak of Kilimanjaro is one of the most amazing accomplishments. Stand at the summit and you're not only on top of Africa's tallest mountain, but the tallest freestanding mountain in the world. If that sounds like something you want to tick off your bucket list, you're probably wondering how much it costs to climb Kilimanjaro. So keep watching to find out everything you need to know. The cost of climbing Kilimanjaro varies quite a lot. The expedition can cost anything between €2,000 and €10,000, depending on what's included in the itinerary and the level of service provided by the expedition company. The best way to climb Kilimanjaro is on an expedition such as ours. That way, everything you need is included. Our expedition costs €3,999. Here's everything that's included in our expedition. Your return flights from Dublin, a training weekend in Ireland. We are the only company in the world to send an international guide and doctor on all of our expeditions while keeping group sizes sustainably small. Local guides, porters and support staff. All accommodation, all meals except in Arusha when the accommodation is a bed and breakfast. A celebratory dinner at the end of the expedition. All transport and transfers. National park fees and local VAT. All group gear consisting of first aid kits, cooking and mountaineering equipment. And use of state-of-the-art tents and thermarests. We are extremely passionate about porter welfare and ensure all of our team are paid a fair wage, a fair share of the tips, and have the appropriate clothing for climbing the mountain. For more information on our porter welfare, be sure to check out the link above. If you're joining the expedition to Kilimanjaro outside of Ireland, you can book the trip without the flights for €3,299. That way you can organise your own flights and we can take care of the transfers from the airport to the hotel. So let's go through some of the things that aren't included. Our expedition does not include personal travel insurance, vaccinations, tourist visas and your own gear. You'll also need to bring a bit of spending money for souvenirs and tipping the porters after the expedition. To make life easier, we recommend bringing $350 in small notes. This amount includes the $170 tip per person that's divided amongst the porters. You're probably wondering if you can pay for the expedition in installments, and the answer is absolutely. We don't require payments in full up front. To secure your place on the expedition, you'll need to pay a deposit of €399. The remainder is due 2 months before departure. You can make payments directly into your Earth's Edge account, so whenever it suits you to put more in, you can. So, there you have it. That's how much it costs to climb Kilimanjaro. If you have any more questions or want to know more about this incredible expedition, you can email us at info@earths-edge.com or check out our website, which will be linked down below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with our latest content.
As an expedition company, we focus on having a positive impact on both the environment and the communities we visit. We also set the highest safety standard of any company in the world, sending an international guide and doctor on each and every one of our trips. For more info on our sustainability policies, safety standards, and to see our range of expeditions, visit our website, earthsedge.com.